Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. So, today, from Standard 6 English Medium, chapter number 6. What is the chapter name? The chapter name is Demonstrative and Relative Pronouns. Demonstrative and Relative Pronoun. Yesterday, I have taught you about the demonstrative. Now, today I am going to teach you about relative pronoun. What is the relative pronoun? Here given the definition. Pronouns that are used to introduce relative clauses are called relative pronoun. Relative pronouns link phrases or clauses to another in a sentence. Words such as who, whom, that, which, when, where are relative pronoun. Okay, so what is the difference between WH question and relative pronoun? I am going to telling you. Who, what, where, when, that, these are the relative pronoun. But if this WH question you use who are you means you are asking question, and at last you put the symbol of question mark, so it's a question mark. Interrogative sentence. What? Interrogative sentence. If you say that what is your name, then at last you put the symbol of question mark. Here not showing the relation, here showing the interrogative sentence. What is your name? Where are you? When do you come? That means these are the interrogative sentence. But you use these WH words as relation, showing the relation in a sentence, so it is called relative pronoun. How? I am going to tell you the example. If I said that the boy, telling you the boy who is sitting next to you is my best friend, or friend is my friend. So here what I did here, see, the boy who is sitting next to you is my friend. The sentence is the boy is my friend, but here given the relation, showing the relation. The boy, WS, showing the relation with who? With the boy. Who is sitting next to you? Given the information. Who is sitting next to you? Means this is the relative sentence. Relative pronoun here I use which? Who. Okay. Here given the more example. See. Here given. What? Showing the relation. The boy is my cousin. The relative is added sentences. The boy is my cousin, using the relative pronoun who. Here given the information. See, the new students who joined the school badminton team is a state champion. But the sentence is like this. See, the new student is a state champion. The new student is a state champion. This is the sentence. But here, who joined the school badminton team? This is showing the relation, relative relation. Okay, information about the student. The new students is a state champion. Who joined the, here given the who joined the school badminton team. New students who joined the school badminton team is a state champion. This is how we showing the relation. Now see the second example. The book which I read last week is excellent. The book is excellent. That is a sentence. But showing the relation. The book which I read last week is excellent. Okay, when you use this WH word as relative after the noun, if you say the boy, then you put WH. If you say the bus, then you say WH word. Use the WH showing the relation. If you say the man, then you use the WH word. The man whose son received the best player award last week. That is how you use the man. The student whom they selected for the mathematics Olympiad is from our school. This is how we use the relation. Then the next page C. Here given the exercise. What is the exercise? Fill in the blanks with appropriate relative pronoun. What we do here, we put the relative pronoun appropriately. What is the sentence? All the parents blank were invited, attended the function. Here given, see, relative pronoun, WH word. So what? All the parents here given, noun. All the parents blank were invited. So showing the noun form. So here what comes? Who. What comes? Who were invited. All the parents who were invited attended the function. So in the first, who is the correct answer? Number second, the key. Here the key is a thing. Here parents are noun. So here use who. Key is the thing. The key blank opens, this lock is missing. So the key, so we here write which. What? Which. In the second we use which. The key which opens this lock is missing. Now comes to the third. The lady blank car was hit by the bus has informed the police. The lady. Here talk about the lady. Okay, now the lady. But here what? Blank car was hit by the bus has informed the police. So in the third, talk about the car. So here we use whose. What? Whose. The lady whose car hit by the bus has informed the police. Whose. What use? Whose. WHOSE. This whose. In the fourth, the girl. Now comes talk about person. The girl blank introduced me to you is my sister. Talk same is the first one. So in the fourth we use who. What we use? Who. Now comes to number fifth. The book blank I bought yesterday is lost. The thing here. So whatever here what comes? Here comes which. The book which I bought yesterday is lost. Now number 6. The boy blank is the captain of the school team is from my class. Same. Here talk about the girl. Here talk about the boy. So what comes here? Who. Now number 7. The answer blank you gave was wrong. The answer, talk about the answer just as the key. So what comes here? Which. The answer which you gave was wrong. Then the last one. Those students blank work hard always succeed. Talk about the students just like the parents. So what comes here? Who. Those students who work hard always succeed. So this is how we put the correct relative pronoun in the blanks. Here given the exercise also. What? Complete the following sentences with correct relative pronouns choosing from the given in the brackets. Here given the options. You choose it from the blank. See. Dickens is an author blank I like a lot. Dickens is an author blank I like a lot. So Dickens is an author. Who not? Here comes whom. Here comes whom I like a lot. In the second, blank comes first will get the ticket. Blank comes. Options are whoever and whomever. Talk about the ticket. So here comes whoever is the correct answer. Put whoever comes first will get the ticket. Now number third. Everyone blank completed their work and take a break. Everyone who completed. Everyone, but not whom. Who completed their work can take a break. Now number 4. Your teacher is a person. Your teacher is a person blank you should honor. Whom? Talk about whom. Whom you should honor. Number 5. Gaze blank I met in the museum the President of India. Gaze whom I met in the museum the President of India. Number 6. Blank wants to enroll for the competition should do it by tomorrow. Here given the whoever and whomever. So whoever wants to enroll for the competition should do it by tomorrow. Number 7. Geeti is the girl. Geeti is the girl blank I know for a long time. Whom I know. Whom I know for a long time. That is the girl. Number 8. Blank did you speak to when you called my office? Here comes whom. Whom did you speak to when you called my office? Now comes to 9. The singer blank damaged his vocal cord last year. He has just announced his comeback. So the singer, talk about the singer who damaged his vocal cord last year. So comes what? Who. And 10. The bakers whom I hired for the wedding cancelled at the last minute. Whom. Then number 11. Here also, you saw yesterday at the park wasn't me. Means whoever you saw yesterday at the park wasn't me. Number 12. Alia is my cousin who lives in New York. So this is how you put the relative pronoun. I hope you understand about it. Thank you.